Lobo umtsizwa bukaphakela umthakathi behlangene nongizwe lobo umtsizwa babo kungenzeka kubaqhathe nabantu ngeke sebeyaphaphalaza fana baseduze nabo bebaxwayise sebeyaphaphalaza. Angithi manje umtsizwa nemtsizwa foundation badisa to collaborate neMarch and March ngoba bebona iagenda iyodwa. Bekufanele mase kuyobona umongameli lo wekhala baye bonke yabo. uJacinta uinterviewa intatheli yaku newsroom ukuthi ubuwazi ngomhlangano yalamadoda nomongameli oyisigubhukani nobu private. Uthi cha ubengazi. Utshela ukuthi yini bediscuss cha. Uphakela umthathu unikeza iplatform lapha kwiMarch and March uzokhuluma udoti nje ethi yena uyindoda ngeke aza abe behind umfazi womuntu all anje all along agenda is the same. Why phoma sengine progress kwi agenda asale emuva uJacinta? So wena phakela umthakathi lobo umtsizwa bakho okwamanje sisakulandela mbijana kodwa emveni kwemeeting yakho nomongameli yabona nje uhamba nabo mabengakutshela ikhehla hayi ayikulunge ayingakhohlisani yabo njoba sikulento esikuyona njengamanje ayingakhohlisani ngoba ubona izwe lonakele nje abakhohlisi ayingakhohlisani ikhehla uyaphaphalaza. Fanele uthuke manje uzame nje uzokhuluma ke namhlanje ngomhla 1 ngo1 emini uzama uqoqa xoqa ubona amanyondolo waqoqa kanjani ngoba into eyenzakalayo ungizwe ngesikhathi kuzoba nama election wayegxeka uRamaphosa ethi ikhale elikhulu walisenzela ngalutho ushaqima kwathangana. uRamaphosa wathi khamla wena nkosi yamabhinqa kham wahamba ungizwe awu inkulumo ahambe ikhuluma ayifani inkulumo ewayikhuluma seyibuya. Uphakela umthakathi intatheli yambuza izolo uthi hayi uRamaphosa kanigxekanga ngesenze nizosenza kusasa. Wathi uphakela umthakathi hayi no he's a nice man, he did not, he's a nice man. Hayi bo wephakela sizokunyanya nge same time thina sinqene nje kumele sisuthe uwe nje asinqene ukukusutha nje sikusuthe uzodlala ngathi thina into edala uba kube ngathi siyalandelela ingoba uthe wena ipolitiki asiyifaki. Kuhle uthi ubonana nomongameli ngoba phela egcineni fanele ikhalo zabantu ifike kumongameli kodwa ushiweleni uJacinta kuyena singayi iwoman of the match ushiweleni ngoba ungizwe futhi angiya usanda kushela umuzi ungizwe ulandela ibhodo elicontayo maliconta ngaphi ibhodo baqulini uyakhona maliconta enyangeni umbona ithamba ngenyanga maliconta ungizwe ulandela la conta khona ibhodo. So wena phakela ngeke bekutshela abanye ngoba bakusaba basop singamazulu nje sizokunyanya nje thina nje sinqeni thina ukukunyanya yabo mawukhuma lengqondo yakho nekhanda eliqinile leli ubheda sizokunyanya nje thina sokunyanya nje sikunyanya impela nje futhi nezinsizwa lezi ezikulalelayo njengamanje hayi uthi sizilima yabo namhlanje ngo1 you better correct yourself. Sinqeni thina ukunyanya thina singaphuma thina kuwena siholo umfazi uJacinta sizwe ngomfazi asinqeni thina ukuzwa ngomfazi yabo ngoba lo sisi lo uJacinta usayibambe kahle uthi hlephu education ngala informality athi hlephu ngala abe ibhubesi. Hayi wena ngeke lo mdlavuni bakho ngeke kulunga khehla hayi ngeke ayingakhohlisani khehla ayingakhohlisani khehla ngeke bamba ayingakhohlisani yabo nje phakela ayingakhohlisani khehla awuzame ndoda ulungise indlela zakho awuzame ngoba hayi thina nje singamabhinqa hayi bandla asinqene ukumphuma umuntu wena nje sokuphuma into enzakalayo sokuphuma sinqene ukuphuma thina singakuphuma thina so nje akwahle kancane le meeting yakho noRamaphosa le angizwa kahle
Go there so that you can fix the door because it's not the problem. You have number. You have number of who? We understand. But manje asingashiyi okay. Athola umuntu ozofika ngayo. You have the numbers of the building. On the building. Sorry, the owner of the building. Or your friend here. Because your brother or your... You didn't come alone. Where's the brother?
We understand English, man.
Yeah, where's the brother? You want to solve the house, yeah. What? You will call. Where's your phone? You have a phone? Call him. Tell him to go to the house so that he can go after your house. Because into ngisaba ukuthi mangabe sesihambe nabo bazobe sebathi kuphuliwe lapha eminyango yabo bathi sekutshontshile bathontshele imali. Sabo abafundi ayikho sebenza kwenu sabo abafundi don't have papers you don't have papers yourself you don't have nothing, no passport, no Islamic no passport, no. You must respond, talk to me. You don't have anything, ne? Where is it? Someone to go in. You have any passport? Nothing.
No, I think I don't have.
But get someone to look after your assets.
You want to leave? You don't have the time. I will be sleeping.
Khona ngabafoni asiyazi. Awabafoni no para sengisabela ukuthi mangihamba nabo sibabeke mara masihamba nabo masisesiqinile ukuthi lapho
Siyabanyanyobela sesifikile. Why are you doing this? 2 o'clock shift.
No,
2 o'clock in the morning. How do they go home?
Go 4 o'clock. But they want to finish early and go home back early. I'm never telling.
Iwona lamakhekha wenziwa lamazayisayi lawa. Abukeke emnandi wona manje ikhwaye labantu. Iwona lawa. Iwona nandi inhlama yakhona deshethona. Iyona inhlama yakhona le. Kanti ihlala endaweni enje inhlama. Ya iyona inhlama wenza amakhekhe. Silale siyasebenza.
No. Even the boss will be arrested.
Ya iyona le brand lamakhekhe. How can you pay someone 16 rand an hour? Why? It's not new. In October we're here. I'm telling you, I'm not asking you. October was here. I was personally here in October. You cannot remember me.
After I got heart attack, I go back to hospital. And I come back.
But this bakery is not new. You cannot be paying. Okay, simple question. Ubanu baker lang nina? How much are getting paid a week? 16 rand an hour. You see?
This one?
Yeah. What is your name?
Joshua
From?
Zimbabwe.
Okay, I saw your passport. Your passport says you are a visitor, but you are working in South Africa. Why you don't have a working visa? You don't know? Sure. Your name?
I'm Wellington,
From where?
Zimbabwe.
Okay, what does your visa say? Your passport?
My passport is fine. My visa is expired.
Okay. Your passport says you can do what in South Africa?
I'm a visitor.
But what are you doing now?
I'm working.
You are working, but you must be a visit. You good? Which country from?
Zimbabwe.
What does your visa say? Your passport?
Visit.
Visit. But you are working. How long have you been working here?
2 years.
2 years. You good, my sister?
4 months.
What is your name?
My name is Esther Shumbu
Shumbu. Which country from?
from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. Where are your documents?
I don't have.
You don't have. How did you come to South Africa?
Through the board,
Through the border. How? You paid someone.
I paid the police
You paid the police how much?
200
200 rand or US dollars or what? Or Zim dollar?
rands
200 rands. Then they allowed you in the country. When?
last year.
Last of last year. Yo. So you're working here.
Yes,
How much they paying you a month?
4.8.
4.8. Oh, that's better. You good? What is your name?
My name is Sandra
Sanda. Which country?
from Zimbabwe.
When did you come here?
Last year,
Last year. Where are your papers, your documents?
I don't have.
How did you come?
Came from board.
Border. Oh, you also paid.
Yeah,
How much did you pay?
300.
300 rand. Then they just allow you to come in.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.